What's up, Glam fam? My name is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we're going to be wrapping up our makeup bag essentials for beginners series with the extras, the glitz, the glam, the what have you, the what not. Okay? That's what we're going to do. So, if you want to see how we're finishing this out, stay tuned. So today we're going to be talking about the extra things that you need in your makeup kit if you're going to be a beginner. Now, some of you guys were blessed with natural lashes that are just beautiful and long, and all you need is a little bit of mascara and you're good. Me, I ain't got no lashes. A long time ago, back before I knew any better, I used to go to the nail shop and get my lashes done, and they used to be burning me all the time, and it used to be just awful, and then I couldn't blink because it's like my eyes were cracking or whatever. And it just used to be painful. Now, I digress. But I'm saying all this to say that sometimes you need some lashes in your kit, right? And so for those of you who don't need lashes, don't worry about this. If you want some, you can pick them up, whatever, right? These are Crazy Essentials lashes. And I love them because the lashes that they have, they're not huge, big lashes that like are scary for beginners. Like these are the Emily lash. They're not clean, so don't come for me. But these are the Emily lash, and it just adds a little bit more thickness and length to your natural lashes. So this is a lash that you will not be like, if you've never worn a lash before, if you put this on, you won't feel like, oh my gosh, I'm about to fly away, because this is such a nice natural lash. Another brand that I really like, and these you can find at the drugstore or the beauty supply store. Usually they're at the beauty supply store, this particular subtype of the brand, but Kiss lashes have some really good lashes. If you want just to add a little bit to your lash, you can do the Kiss Demi Wispies, the INV Demi Wispies. Actually, any Demi Wispy that you find, so Ardell, Kiss, any drugstore brand that you see a Demi Wispy, these are going to be great for you because it's going to add like a flare and thickness. But it's not going to be too much for you. It's not going to overpower your lid. And these are great for people who have long eyelashes already and just want to add a little bit more volume. And the Ardell 110s. Ardell 110s are perfect for people who've never worn lashes before. They just add a little bit, but not too much. So Ardell 110s, remember that. You can get that almost anywhere. You can get it at Sally. You can get it at Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, the beauty supply store, Ardell 110s. Every black girl needs a good blush, and there are a few. I'm gonna be suggesting quite a few blushes today. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is the Black Radiance Toasted Almond Blush. This has been through hell and high water, but that just means it's well loved because I use it all the time. This is the perfect black girl blush. It just gives you, it's like a nice terracotta looking blush. Just gives you a nice warm glow on your skin. Oh, I love it. There are certain things that I'm like, that's a suggestion. Go get that. That's not a suggestion. That is a command. I'm telling you to go get that, okay? The next two blushes that we're gonna talk about are both from Makeup Geek. This one is Chivalry by Makeup Geek, and this one is Desire by Makeup Geek. So if you get blushes that look like these, you are good. Makeup Geek has some amazing blushes. They are inexpensive and they are of quality. So if you have some time, sign up for their, what's it called? Their sale announcements, their emails, and it'll tell you when everything is on sale for $5 and you just go ham. Just pick up whatever you got, whatever you can. So, and I got this magnetic case to put them in with some shadows that I have from them. All right, so these are the Makeup Geek blushes swatched. We have Chivalry here. That's cute. And then we have Desire right here. These are awesome. These are amazing blushes. Look at the pigmentation. Look at that. They're just so amazing. The second prestige brand is NARS, and this is my favorite NARS blush. It's called Taos. And it is a shimmery blush, but it still looks really good on your skin. So let's put Taos right up here. Look at that. Beautiful. I think this was the first blush I ever purchased. Okay, highlighters, they are my favorite things. You guys know that I love highlighters. I have a whole video on highlighters in my thing. I'm gonna link that. We're not gonna swatch them. I'm just gonna tell you about them. We're gonna speed through them like we did the last time, okay? All right, cool, cool, cool. So these are the Nemay Beauty Sunray Illuminators, and they are amazing. I love them all. I use probably Cosmos the most. This one is white. It looks white. Cosmos is actually what I have on today, and it looks great on everyone. This is the Becca Gold Lava Highlighter. You guys haven't seen this one yet. It's a really nice shimmer. It's very subtle, unless you don't want it to be. So I really like that highlighter right now. Bronzers are like contours in that they darken your face, but bronzers make you look like you're kissed by the sun. They give you a warmth. It's like when you get a tan, you don't get shadowy, you get bronzed, right? And so the three bronzers that stay in rotation out here are the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer. I really like this one. I never thought it would show up on me, but it actually does. And they received a lot of flack because this is the deepest it goes, and it like literally is just like when I want like a kiss of some warmth to my skin, I can use this. But they are in development with, I believe it's Molly Magic, to get some deeper shades for the bronzer. So when those come out, hopefully there'll be a shade that is right after this one. A couple more shades. I'm hoping at least 6 more shades, but who knows. All right, next we have the Prime Beauty, and they are a Black-owned company. These are the Bronzers, and this one is called Brownsville. I know they have another one that's called like Chocolatey or something like that, or Chocolate City or something like that. They're 3 shades. So this is the medium one, and then they have a deeper one. So the Prime Beauty Bronzer. And then we have, of course, the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Bronzer. This is in the shade Cocoa Naughty. And this is something, I use this one, actually use this one and the Prime Beauty one interchangeably. I use them the most out of all the bronzers I have, which are 3. So the last thing we're gonna talk about are glitters and glitter adhesive. My favorite glitter adhesive is the Ben Nye Glitter Glue. This sticks a glitter down, and that glitter do not move until you're ready to take it off. Everything Ben Nye does is just amazing. Okay, so glitters, glitter glue. The ABH glitter adhesive, I also got this in PR, but I would not have bought it. I would have just kept buying this because this was $12 and this is more than $12. But the ABH glitter adhesive is a really good, they're comparable. So these two are really great for glitter adhesives. I have all these glitters in here, and I have more down there. These are from superglitters.com, and they cost $1.25, and I'll never need any more of this glitter than what I have here unless it like turns over and spills or something. I love Super Glitters because they have them for cosmetic use, and then they have them for non-cosmetic use, and then they tell you which ones are eye safe, and that's really important when working with glitters, because what we don't want is for a glitter to get into your eye and like scratch your cornea just because you was trying to be cute with some crazy colored glitter. Okay, so that is my suggestion. ABH also has really nice glitters. They have a really good shimmer. The holographicness in these glitters are amazing. And they're really, really, really fine. NYX has really good glitters as well, and these are like $6. So you have your low, mid, and high range glitters. I think the ABH ones are like $15 each, if I'm not mistaken. So now you guys know I love me a Ben Nye Final Seal. This is not for everybody. Sometimes people say that it messes up their makeup. The spray that it comes with is pretty awful. So if you switch out the spray, it does a better job of coating your face instead of just like squirting little dots onto your face. That's pretty awful. I don't like that. And then we have the Hustle and Glow Holy Water. These come in shimmer shades. Shimmer, is that the word I'm looking for? They're holographic. So you just shake them up. And then this one is a blue purple holograph. You can't see it, it looks white, but it's amazing. And then last but not least, this is also a new contender that I just got that I really like, and I used it today. This is the Nola Skin Essentials After Glow Mist, and it gives you a luminous finish. It's not like it's not a setting powder that will make you matte. You'll look glowy once it dries down. So it's probably most likely compared to Dewy Set or something like that. And that's it. I think that's it. Is that it? I think that's it. So that's it. Oh wow, we finished. Wow, guys, this was an undertaking. This was harder than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna be able to rattle off like a couple of products in like a video that was 10 minutes long and that was it. But it took longer than that. But I'm happy we're done. Anyway, guys, if you like this series, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. Tell me something else that you would like me to do for beginners. If you're a beginner and there's something else you want me to talk about, let me know and I'll be sure to talk to you about it and make a video on it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Oh no, sorry. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you can be a part of the Glam fam. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at glamazon1026, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.